Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a lovely, vibrant, fresh meal today, and I have chosen Cook the Book because I've received this new book, The Kitchen Prescription. It's by Dr. Saliha Mahmood Ahmed, and it's got 101 delicious everyday recipes to revolutionize your gut health. And I have chosen this. It's a vibrant green paneer. It sounds super simple, straightforward, and I thought I will share it with you. So let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's not waste any more time. Looks delicious. So it's asking for 3 garlic cloves. I'm just going to double it. Just going to use 6. In goes the garlic, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and juice of half a lemon, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Right, a handful of fresh spinach leaves and a handful of fresh coriander leaves, and just going to add salt to taste. I'm doing quarter teaspoon, and now I'm just going to blitz it. Right, here is the lovely marinade. Look at that. That's just so beautiful, stunning, and it smells really refreshing as well. So I'm excited to use this. So we need 2 blocks, which is a total of 500 grams of paneer. And I'm just gonna chop it because this is quite a nice, soft, crumbly paneer. I am actually gonna just try. Yeah, I think this is how. Just gonna cut it in half and then cut it in half, so kind of like little fingers. So this recipe should serve 4 people. I'm just gonna move this very gently because it's nice and crumbly. If you can't find paneer, I have got a recipe video of how to make paneer at home on my channel. You can find the link and check that out. It's super simple, just needs a couple of ingredients, that's it. So I'm going to pour half of this on top of the paneer and leave the other half for later. Look at that. Just going to very carefully coat this. Right, so I've coated it all very, very gently and carefully. Just loving this color. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. And the rest of it, I'm just going to transfer to a small bowl. And now my mom's helping me out. She was resting and I just said, get up, do some work. Right, so she's making some flatbreads. So if you want to know how to make these flatbreads, you can find the recipe of chapati on my channel. I did a lovely masterclass of it. So it's just basically flour. We've taken enough for 4 people, and all she's doing is putting it, we haven't measured the water, so just putting enough water to bind into a soft dough. We'll leave it to rest and then roll out the chapatis. The good thing about this recipe is that you can just use ready-made wraps, but I do sometimes use ready-made wraps, don't get me wrong, but if I have the time, it only takes 5 minutes, 4 minutes to knead the dough, and then it just needs a little bit of resting time. If I can make it at home, the taste is next level, it's healthier, it's more delicious, and it's just really nice to eat. So yeah, you can obviously cut short the steps and just use ready wraps in this recipe. So our paneer has been resting. Once the dough is done, I'm going to prepare the salad. So now for some salad, I'm going to take 1 red onion and thinly slice this, and then thinly slice 1 plum tomato. The sun keeps coming in and out, so it doesn't know what it wants to do. Right, so I've got for the salad some chopped up tomatoes, some chopped up red onions. I'm going to just open them up and just going to make a light dressing, and also some spinach leaves. I think I need a different bowl. So just a couple of things to go in. Salt to taste. I'm adding some additional things more than what's mentioned in the book. Again, chili powder to taste. Tiniest little bit of chaat masala, homemade. You can find the recipe on the channel. and also some black pepper. And just like a drizzle of olive oil would be quite nice. And the last thing is just a squeeze of lemon juice. And then nice good mix. Oh, look at that, so good. And now for the yogurt dressing, I'm just going to take some natural yogurt. Just depending on how many wraps you are making. Like I said, I'm going to be serving 4 people, so I'm going to take a good few tablespoons of yogurt. And I tend to always use natural yogurt. And then going to add this lovely marinade in this. Beautiful. So now I'm going to prep the chapatis to serve up. I'm just taking some dry flour, that's our rested chapati dough, and I'm just going to roll out into some chapatis and cook them until nice and crispy golden wraps. Right, so here is the chapati dough. You can watch the proper video, full video on the channel where I've talked in detail about how to make this. I'm just going to roll some out quite nice and thin. I like them nice and thin. I've made a slightly bigger than normal chapati, and then I'm just going to cook it in this pan. Just takes a couple of minutes to cook each. So look, it's nice and golden, and I've got another one ready. So I'm just going to quickly make a pile, and then once they are ready, I'm just going to put a little bit of butter, not too much, just to keep them nice and soft. Now to cook the paneer, I've got a griddle pan. You can use a normal frying pan. Just going to put a little bit of oil. Oops, not on the hob. And then just let it get really nice and hot before you add the paneer. And once it's hot, I'm just going to fry this for a couple of minutes until golden. So I'm just going to get them out on a plate first. Now time for the magic to happen. So I'm going to get some salad. And now for this beautiful dressing. Right, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. Oh, so good. Oh, that is delicious. I should have given you a plate. It's so good.
Very juicy paneer.
Don't forget to subscribe. Try this. This is absolutely delicious. So good. So good. Lovely. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye bye.
Chalo, chalo.